S5 Chapter 7 Equations of Circle, Lesson 1. This chapter is about the equation of circle. Actually, equation of straight line, we have y equal to mx plus c or ax plus by plus c, and parabola, that means ax squared plus bx plus c. Like circle also have the equation. For circle, we have two kinds of formats. The first one we call the standard form or the center radius form. From the name, actually you can see center radius. We can see the center. We define HK is the center. Center is the middle of the circle. And then x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equal to the radius square. It is called a standard form. Next, we have the general form. For general form, the format is like this. X squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. Both you can represent the circle, then the equation of circle, in the exam or in the test. Now we will talk about the standard form. For standard form, remember this structure. X minus h squared plus y minus k all square equal to radius square. So let's do question 1a. For example, put the circle in standard form. So the center is hk is -2, 3, and radius is 5. So just like this one. X minus bracket -2 square plus y minus 3 square equal to the radius r square, 5 square. And then we know this and this is negative, so it becomes positive. So x plus 2 square plus y minus 3 square equal to 25. Actually, it is the answer of the equation of circle. Now, try to finish question B to question D. Okay, let's check it. For question B, the center is -3, -1. So x minus bracket -3 square plus y minus bracket -1 square equal to 4 square. So it becomes x plus 3 because negative becomes positive. And this one also, negative becomes positive. 16. Now actually, you can see, if this is negative, then you see it's positive, opposite. Like this. And if it is positive, then it's negative. Okay, so we can do question C. So it is x minus 5 square, and then plus y negative, so because it is negative, so it becomes plus 7 square equal to 6 square, so it's 36. Lastly, question D, x minus 0, y minus 0 square, square root 7 square. So x minus 0 is x square plus y minus 0 square, y square equal to root 7 square. So root and 7 cancel it. So it becomes 7. Next, general form. General form, the structure is like this: x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f equals 0. So we have this one. Now we will use the standard form to create the equation first and then transfer to general form. So x minus 2 square and then y negative, so plus 5 square equal to 2 square, radius square. Then we need to expand it. Okay, that means x minus 2, and then y plus 5, and then minus 2 squared is 4, so move to left hand side become -4. You can use the rainbow or the identity. So after simplification, we can get x squared plus minus 4x plus 4. And then for this one, y squared plus 10y plus 25 minus 4 equals 0. Then we can simplify. So x squared first, you see x squared first, and then y squared. And then you see x term, negative 4x here, and then the y term plus 10y. And then finally, the number 4, 25 minus 4. You can see 4 cancel. So it remains 25. So it is the answer of the general form. Now, try to do question B. Let's check it. For question B, first minus 1, so it's negative, so it's x plus 1 square. And then y minus 4 square equal to 3 square. Then same, we do the rainbow or identity. So x squared plus 2x plus 1. Then y squared minus 8y plus 16 minus 9 equals 0. So finally, x squared plus y squared, and then 2x minus 8y, and then x equals 0. Next, we'll see question 3. For this question, the equation is given. You need to find the center and then radius. Actually, it is opposite of question 1 and question 2. So let's try to do it. First, we can look at the standard form first. Like this, x minus x squared plus y minus k squared, and then equal to the radius square. So actually we can change to this format. So positive, we can change to this negative and negative 4. And then y minus 2, no change. And then for 49, actually it is 7 square. Okay. So the center, we can see it is negative 4. And then 2. Okay, opposite. So for the radius, you see it's r square, 7 square. So r is 7, or root 49 equal to 7. Now actually, you can skip this step. Why? Because you see, we know it is opposite. So when you see positive 4, so it's negative 4. And then negative 2 this here, so it's 2. Like this. And then for the radius, we know it is radius square. So that means take square root for 49, then 7. Okay. If you're not sure, no problem, you can do this step. Now, try to do question B to D. Okay, let's check it. So for question B, as I said, you see, negative 8. So the center is 8, and then for this one, opposite. So negative 1. And then for the radius, 25 actually is 5 square, okay? Or root 25. So the radius is 5. And part C, you see x square. That means the x coordinate is 0. And then this is negative 4, so it's positive 4. So for the radius, actually is root 36, so it is 6. Because 6 squared is 36. Lastly, question D. You see, it is quite different. The coefficient is 3 for x squared and y squared term. As I said before, the standard form is like this. No coefficient in front of x squared and then y squared. So that means this one is quite redundant. So first step, we need to divide by 3 for the whole equation. So it becomes x squared plus y minus 5 bracket square equal to 75 divided by 3, because we need to cancel this 3. So 75 divided by 3, it is 25. Then we can find the center is 0, 5, and then radius is 5,